I'm Lisa Alexander, and I'm the creator of the Alexander Method of Vibrational Sound Therapy. This therapy is helping people heal physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, in a variety of ways. It's too much to get into. I'm not even going to get into it all. Well, there'll be other videos for you to learn more about that. And although there are other tuning fork modalities out there, they're older, and they don't quite have all the science and research and practice behind it as we have, and that's why I think we're getting such amazing results. We are the vibrational sound therapy for this new Aquarian age, the new golden age. You know, everything shifted after 2012, and that's right when this modality that we're using was given birth to in 11, 12, and 13. So we really are that higher frequency method out there. But what I'd like to talk about today are the tuning forks we use. So we use these highly calibrated medical grade tuning forks, and they're made with a special aluminum alloy, and they're longer and better really because they are used by the medical community in a different way than we use them, of course. So I want to show you the difference, because some people say ours aren't super expensive. There are tuning forks out there that are way more expensive. They just have a much bigger markup. We really don't do that. We're really not in the business of tuning fork sales. We only sell what is used in our modality. So, and they are made for our practitioners, so they're made to last. They're made for the quality of work that we do. So I just want to show you something, because one of my students showed up at one of our educational seminars with something she bought on the internet. So I decided to get my own from the internet, and because it really wasn't the same quality. Now hers was a little different, but it wasn't the same quality as of ours at all. So let me just show you. So this one here is one of our Alexander Method tuning forks. It is the 128C, and it is used in our body therapy course for the most part. And it's high quality. There's my Lisa Alexander is my name stamped in the back. And this is one from the internet. Also, as you can see, this one here, it's a 128C as well, bought off of Amazon. Now, look at the difference, first of all, in length. See the stems? See how much longer our stems are? You see ours are a little shinier. That's because this is made with a high quality aluminum alloy, and it's extruded aluminum alloy. This is molded steel. Steel will not produce the overtones that an aluminum alloy will. Steel is much cheaper, especially when these are coming from foreign countries. This is made in America by a small family company. So the other thing I want to show you is the heads. So take a close look. This one is ours. Do you see the craftsmanship and how nice and tight everything is put on there? Do you see this one? Do you see the gaps? Do you see the unevenness? Now let's just flip it up and just look side by side at the heads. See how much bigger our weights, our heads are compared to the other one. And again, you can definitely see the difference in the shine and of the aluminum alloy and the dullness of the steel. So if you can see this, the way this is made here, you might not be able to see this in the camera, it's a little tough, but this is a molded piece of steel, where this is an extruded aluminum alloy. It's even got a nicer feel. It's heavier in the hand, it weighs more. Now let me just bring around to the heads too, so you can compare the size looking down this way or this way. You can see the size of the heads. Our heads, or the weights, are much bigger. Ours come with a much longer sound. They're weighted heavier, and even if you can, again, not sure how much the camera can pick up, but even looking down the tines into the weights, you can see the gap on the cheap one, and then you can see how well seated the weights are on ours. So there you go. So that's a lisaalexander.com tuning fork, and that's where you can find it. You can see how this is molded. You can get that anywhere on the internet. It will be cheaper, but it will not be the best quality. And if you are in the business of being a sound therapy practitioner, you want the top quality. This tuning fork is $55. You could probably find this for about $35. So the choice is yours, but everyone asks me why ours are better, and there you go. See ya. So if you like the information that I've shared with you in this video, please, please, please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments section, and please remember what your mother may have told you, at least what my mother did. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all, because we know whenever you throw out negativity to someone else, it'll just come right back to you tenfold. So don't do that to yourself or me. So please like, please subscribe, please follow, so you can get more tips and tricks on becoming your own guru.